Hi, my name is Neff, and I help vacation rental owners get more direct bookings on their website. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Google Analytics account. It's probably easiest just to go to Google, type in Google Analytics, and then you'll be shown one of these options. Click on it, and then you'll be asked to sign in or create a new Google account. I already have one created, so go ahead and follow the steps that you're prompted with, and then I'll see you in my Google Analytics account. All right, welcome to my Google Analytics account. So first thing I want to mention here is this lovely banner, and it says Universal Analytics will no longer process new data and standard properties beginning July 1st, 2023. Prepare now by setting up and switching over to Google Analytics 4 property. So a quick word on this. Even though Universal Analytics will be phased out next year, I still recommend creating a Universal Analytics property along with a Google Analytics 4 property. The main reason being that it takes time for other third-party software tools to integrate with Google Analytics 4. So when June rolls around, then I would start prompting people to switch over to Google Analytics 4. But for now, let's stick with Universal Analytics because it's been around, it's got plenty of documentation, and all the tools out there integrate nicely with it. If you are seeing a different screen after you've created your Google account, what you want to do is jump over to this admin icon and click on create account in this first column. Enter your account name. This could be the name of your company. I'll just put Inc. Select the data sharing options that you want to, and you'll have a maximum of 100. That shouldn't be a problem for 99% of the folks out there. Click on next, and we will put the property name. I would suggest putting in the domain name. So you could just put domain.com or whatever your domain is. Select your reporting time zone. That will probably be automatically detected based off of your IP. And we want to select show advanced options. So this is where we're going to create Universal Analytics property. Let's select that, put your domain name or your domain. Make sure that this is selected. So now we're going to create both a Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property. Make sure this is checked off. Click on next, enter some of this extra data. It's not really important, but gives Google a little bit more information about the type of user you are. Click on create, read the terms, and accept. All right, so now that you have a brand new Google Analytics account, congratulations. The next step is to set up goals within Google Analytics. I'll explain a little bit more about what goals are, why they're important, why you should care about them. But in the meantime, I'd love to hear any questions or comments that you have, and feel free to throw them in the comments below. All right, see you in the next video.